Hey guys, so I'm coming to you because I don't want you to miss out on Nordstrom's sale going on till August the 9th. So they have a lot of stuff going on sale. So I am here to save you some money. I've got a box. Let me turn this around so you can see. Nordstrom's. I went on there and I ordered some items that I think that you guys would like and that I wanted, that they have on sale. So I'm going to quickly show you this, and I'm going to tell you, I'm going to put the sale link, and they have a coupon code, so I'm going to put that down below so that you guys can save some money. Yes, girl, because I am all about helping you guys save some money. So use the coupon code for, I believe it's 16% off of your final purchase. Oh my god, child, they make these boxes adult proof. I ain't gonna lie, adult proof. But since I am not sending anything back, we just ripping the boxes. Okay. I love how Nordstrom tax their stuff, because they're making sure you get your items. You see how they individually wrap everything? So, okay. So the first thing I got the Salt and Stone little kit. This was on sale. I'm going to put the original price and the price I got it. For this Salt Stone, this is the little kit that you can get a bunch of different fragrances in. So that's what I like about this kit. It's going to give you the ability to kind of smell the different fragrances. So you can test what you like, what you don't like, all that good stuff. I love their fragrances. So yeah, let's see. This one is going to be... I'm just turning that light on for a minute. Yeah. Oh, this smells so freaking good. Girl, yes. I ain't going nowhere. I'm home for the night, but... Oh, it smells so good. So, yes. You get all 4 fragrances in here. And I will put in the description all fragrances you get, the price, and the kit. The next thing I got was Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless. This is my go-to when I finish doing my makeup. This is what I use to spray. If you go to Sephora, this costs about $23 or $28 per bottle. I got the 2-bottle kit, I believe, for $28. That is a freaking bargain. So if you don't do nothing, and this helps your makeup stay. There's no transfer, girl. If you Google this, you ask for the top spray to make your makeup stay, this is going to come up. So, girl, I'm just spraying. This is the this Salt and Stone. It's just the fragrance is coming up in my nose. Girl, it smells so good. Anyway, yeah, so you want to get this. So that's the next thing I got. The next thing I got was this. And this is Tom Ford. Now these are the little bottles. But I have the bigger bottles of this, but when I travel, I don't like to take the big bottles, so I do get the smaller ones. This is the Lost Cherry, which I absolutely love, and this is also Fucked Fabulous. Yeah, I said it. These little bottles, you can get 2 of these, I think, for like 60 bucks. These are like the I think this is the 1 milliliter. But these are perfect for traveling size, putting in your pocketbook for when you're going into, you know, after work or somewhere you're going out at night. You need to, girl, freshen it up. These I love to layer. If you're just trying to test out a new fragrance, you're not certain what you want to use, these are perfect for testing out. I love Tom Ford. I love both these scents. So girl, I'm just saying. These are a perfect tester kit. So go on, get these. I'm going to link them below. You want to get these. They are affordable, on sale. These would normally cost you about 90 something bucks. Yep, for these little ones, like 100 and something, $90, probably more than that. Trust and believe. Yes, they even have the larger bottles. If you're looking for the larger bottles, they have those on sale. I do believe for like $139. I already have bottles. I don't need those. I just needed little mini bottles. These are perfect. So I got those. The next ones I got are again the little mini bottles, and they have little minis in a lot of different fragrances, but of course I'm trying to limit the perfumes I order. So I also got this Tom Ford and the little minis, and this one are these. So and these I've never really tried the Norella. So this is going to be new for me. The Sol Blanca, I do have that one. I don't have this one, so that's going to be a new try for me. So trying a little bottle is perfect for me. This one I have the larger bottle. This is going to go in my pocketbook when I am wearing this scent or I'm layering it over something else. Then this is what I'm going to put in my bag. So girl, you can smell, when you smell somebody, it's going to be me across the room. So that is what I got from Nordstrom's. Go on to Nordstrom's, grab their sale. Get to it, girls. Get to it. A sale is going on, and it's not going on for long. I'm just saying. Get to it. Get it done. Just the Queen Wells. Bye.